Welcome to Bohol, a gem in the Visayas and one of Southeast Asia's most scenic tourist attractions. It is known for immaculate beaches and world-class resorts located in one of its largest islands, Panglao. With the Bohol Panglao International Airport soon to open in the region and seaports strategically located in different areas of Bohol province, the island is prepared for a boost in economic activities. This is in partnership with PrimaryHomes Incorporated. With its clear waters and powder white sand beaches, Panglao Island is inarguably a prime location for any development. It is also minutes away from Bohol City proper, the Tagbilaran City, making it accessible to universities, churches, business establishments, and lifestyle centers. PrimaryHomes, your most reliable partner in the real estate industry, brings you your dream home here in Panglao Island, a master plan community, Royal Palms Quatro. This residential development is strategically located in Dawi's Panglao Island, making possible for a home in an island paradise. Just minutes away from the beaches of Panglao, the beach is just your backyard here at Royal Palms Quatro. This prestigious community is also a few minutes drive to Bohol Panglao International Airport and Tagbilaran City proper. Royal Palms Quatro in Panglao Island, Bohol offers a combination of convenience, security, and tranquility. A vibrant community and tropical home in an island paradise, the development is an exclusive property worth investing in. Royal Palms Quatro's contemporary resort-like amenities simply sets them apart, from an outdoor swimming pool, well-landscaped gardens, kids' playground, to a fitness gym and a clubhouse. These amenities are well thought of to fit both family and community bonding activities. Everything you'd ever want for a home is already here in Royal Palms Quatro. Royal Palms Quatro features well laid out, great quality units designed to address the varying needs of families from different life stages. Popular for being the perfect starter home in Panglao, Hidalgo Royal is most suitable for singles, couples planning to start a family, and newlyweds. The one-story, two-bedroom unit has a floor area of 45 square meters, providing enough space for your adulting activities. This single-attached one-story Toriano residential unit features a smart design, maximizing the 56 square meters of floor area and giving enough space for everyone at home. The open floor plan allows you to supervise your kids while cooking in the kitchen or watching your favorite television show in the living room. This single detached two-story Palacios Grande house is the ideal choice for working career-driven people looking for an investment in Royal Palms Quatro. Its smart design is suitable for a work-from-home setup, coupled with a floor area of 87 square meters, perfect for a productive working environment. The two-story Hermoso Grande stands out as it has 194 square meters of floor area, making it the best option for growing families among the units available in Royal Palms Quatro. With growing kids in your brood, consider choosing an expansive home like Hermoso Grande. The retirees also have a perfect choice in Royal Palms Quatro. Hermoso, which has 81 square meters of floor area, features 3 bedrooms providing ample space for residents who want to lead a relaxed yet vibrant lifestyle. This is a one-story home with no stairs, a convenient and easy access home for retirees who prefer a space with everything within walking distance. Without a doubt, you can live in your dream home and enjoy nature's beauty in a prestigious community in Royal Palms Quatro. PrimaryHomes offers flexible financing options to make it easy for you to get your dream home. With PrimaryHomes' track record in property development and construction, you can be assured of high appraisal value for any home investment with them. For more information about the property, visit www.primaryhomes.com or check out the PrimaryHomes Facebook page. For those who are near the place, you can check out their model units, which are open daily from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Make your dream home now a reality with the Royal Palms Quatro.